Formerly the residence of an ambassador to France and offered for the first time in 30 years, this spacious and sumptuous masterpiece is perfect for entertaining. This massive neoclassical pre-war apartment was designed by the renowned architect Kenneth Murchison in 1927 and features 11 rooms, 2 wood-burning fireplaces, and a welcoming private elevator landing with a graceful foyer. The living room opens into a formal dining room on one side and an inviting library with corner windows on the other. The kitchen is large with a center island, pantry, and multiple windows boasting a comfortable and separate eat-in area. A cascade of south and east-facing windows situated on the 10th floor fills these magnificent spaces with an exquisite light that makes this glorious apartment perfect for entertaining. A long hallway leads to the private bedroom wing. There are a total of 5 bedrooms with 5 bathrooms. The elegant primary bedroom is large but cozy and includes a stylish wood-burning fireplace. A full dressing area leads to a perfect ensuite primary bathroom. The apartment has a large windowed laundry room and comes with its own private storage. Your pets are also welcome. 133 East 64th Street is an exclusive white glove building with doormen and a live-in super. For more information on this fabulous 11-room apartment, please contact Astrid Pillay or John Hamilton Galbraith with Brown Harris Stevens.